Welcome back to Soulful Kitchen, and today we are cooking some fried rice. You want to start off with dissolving some chicken stock cubes in water, and this is what we're going to use to boil and cook our rice and give it that initial nice salty flavorful taste. Pour this on top of the parboiled rice until the rice is just about covered, and you want to cook it until the water has evaporated and until the rice is more or less cooked, but we are going to be cooking it a little bit later in the stir fry process. Then you want to start to prepare your vegetables. We're going to chop up some peppers, we're going to chop up some red onions, some spring onions, some scotch bonnet, and also some carrots. Add some oil to your wok, and we're going to start off with cooking the prawns. We cook these first as they tend to burn easily. Once you've cooked them for a few minutes, we're going to take these out and we're going to save them for later in the cooking process. Then you want to start cooking your chopped protein. Feel free to skip this step if you're a vegetarian, or of course you can also choose to go for some tofu. Now we're going to start adding in the vegetables that we chopped up earlier. So first of all, adding my red onions, cooking this for a bit, and then adding all of the other vegetables on top of that, including some beans, some sweet corn, and some peas. Then you want to season the food with some curry powder and thyme, as well as a seasoning cube and some salt, and this is when you're going to get most of the taste. In Asian cultures, you're going to get a lot of this saltiness from the soy sauce that they add. At this point, we're getting to the end of the process, so we're going to add back the prawns that we cooked earlier on, and we're also going to add some spring onions. And finally, you're going to slowly add back the rice that we cooked earlier on. So I love cooking this meal when I'm short on time, but I want to eat something hearty and something delicious. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next one.